Put this on every time you want to leave your house in the sun. Put on your sunscreen. Okay, I'm done. Babe, wanna go running?
Yeah.
Good morning.
I'm not hungry.
You're not? You didn't eat very much last night. How about we eat? Bella, what do you want? Do you want oatmeal?
I want hamburger.
You want a hamburger?
Mommy, show me your my tongue.
Okay, let's see. What should we eat? Let's clean up. Kylie left this, so I'm gonna go propose to her today. Much better. I'm dying because, like, when I don't have eyebrows, they're so shiny. Julian doesn't like it when I show my couch. Hydrating. Ugh. I honestly feel like trash this morning. Let's go for a run. Let's go for a run.
Can't even stand straight on.
Ow. Bitch. Outfit of the day, we got old dirty Nikes. We got pants from JCPenney from 2014, and this shirt from an unknown source. What up? Wait, talk about the fit. He said no.
Let's go.
What a loser. Okay. Let's go. Here's the situation, friends. That is a problem. So we just had baby number 4 and we're feeling it. So plan is there's no health goal, but I'm keeping myself accountable here. So in 100 days, I will have less fat arms and this part of my tummy, if you can see, like pokes out a little bit in all my pants. I want this down, and like I have loose skin, so it won't all go all the way down, but we want less. And then I want my chin line back, my jawline back, basically. I'm bloated from last night. Anyway, we're gonna do some floor work. I just ran 1 mile in 15 minutes. Let's just like throw that out there. And yeah, let's do some floor work. Feeling weak. Always on this grind. It's good for the breast milk. Huh, baby?
Yes, it is indeed.
This one's the orange mango. It's not my favorite, so I'm trying to drink it first. Shower time. Today's lotion of the day is Hello Beautiful.
Nope, there's no
White
price.
gardenia, jasmine, magnolia, pink nectarine,
Yeah.
cotton musk. Elon Musk. Let's make this bed. Perfect. Big kids are going with the nanny, and we are going to see Brookie, our aunt. Okay, let's go propose to Kylie. It's harder with the baby. Will you marry me? Okay.
Oh no! Why are you recording me? That's bad.
Booby break. I'm editing my pictures. They're on the trash can. Just some online things. Second piece of pepperoni pizza today because people keep offering it. I should do a month of eating only pepperoni pizza. I already want to die from that.
I kind of already do.
Right? Sparta! It's Jade. I'm gonna do her makeup.
Yes,
Should we time lapse it? Let's time lapse it.
Yeah,
I need that bottle.
it's great.
See, what can we? I'm using the mermaid
Mermaid.
as a tripod. All right. And the mermaid's butt. Commence the time lapse. Show everyone. You're so pretty. I'm gonna die. Marilyn who? And your
Marilyn
teeth?
and Paris.
You're so pretty.
This is my bulky ass one.
Take that off.
Do you want to leave your curling iron here, and we can just run out and get changed, and then come back before?
That's a good idea.